Some history was built to move people, not across great distances, but in circles. This is the Herschell Carrousel Factory Museum in North Tonawanda, New York, the only carousel factory museum in the United States, a place where the rides that once filled parks and fairgrounds across the country were built by hand. Every carousel began with skilled hands. Carvers shaped wood into horses, each with its own character and personality, designed not just to be seen, but to come alive when the ride began. Over time, materials changed. Many carousel animals are now made from fiberglass rather than wood. Nearly a century later, some of these original carousels are still turning, allowing visitors to experience history the same way generations before them did. And no carousel would feel complete without the music. Wurlitzer organs filled the air with melodies that became part of the memory. History isn't only found in major events. Sometimes it's found in moments of joy, passed from one generation to the next. Long after the factory stopped producing carousels, the stories continue to turn. The history between steps. Thank you for taking a step with me.